Hi, and welcome to week 2. I'm Dr. Teresa Pedersen, and I'm your instructor for the Capstone course. This week we'll be focused on several activities that are due on May 24th. First, continue revising your proposal based on my feedback. Many of you have already done that. Great job. Watch Blackboard for feedback with your score and an email follow-up if necessary. Second, you will submit your action plan. This is actually a very important document. It needs to be very detailed. Read the directions carefully, and please reach out for help if you're unclear. As you progress through the benchmarks, you're going to notice that the requirements are slightly different. If you propose to do a literature review as your capstone project, this work will require more sources and deeper reflection about each of them. You will become an expert on your topic. A lit review example is found under Templates, Examples, and Guiding Documents, which is above benchmark number 1. I suggest that you download this document, keep it on your desktop, and refer to it quite often. There are lots and lots of examples of literature reviews out there. You can even find literature reviews about your particular topic, which will give you sort of a jumping off point. For the action research and the school improvement plan projects, you will create a smaller lit review, and it will be part of your larger project. Please remember, you are only to read journal articles about primary research to create a synthesis about what you have read. No websites, magazine articles, or book reviews. Your subtopics will emerge from your research, and they will become subheads in your work. You could read 50 articles to find the 30 that you need for your research. I will be rolling out a slightly adjusted schedule this week, but it will not affect this week's assignments due dates. For those that are doing action research, you will complete an application to the IRB for my approval this week. Please do not submit anything to the IRB. Just if you go inside the benchmark, you'll notice where you have to upload it for me. I will direct you to submit it to the IRB when it's ready. Do not forget your annotated bibliography. So starting on week 1, you were directed to do an annotated bibliography, and it's within a journal, which is on Blackboard. And it was kind of funky to work with. One of our students actually figured it out. Fantastic. But we were working on it, a student and I, and we couldn't quite figure it out. So I did send directions to your email. I'm hoping that one of you will try these directions, reply to me, and let me know, thumbs up, thumbs down. What you need to do is put in an annotated entry for every article that you read, even the ones that you end up not using. And the reason for this is that it keeps track of what you've already done and what you've already read and seen. Many authors of research write several articles, a series of articles in different journals, but with slightly different focuses or with different authors. And so that's great. You want to capture all of that, but the annotated bibliography keeps track of it for you. I am available to talk about any concerns that you're having with the class. Please email me and I can phone you, or we can have a Zoom conference. I did this several times throughout the week and this weekend with students, and they said it was helpful, so I'm always available. I continue to pray for each one of you, and I just would like to know if you have a specific prayer request. Please just send it to me via email, and I am happy to lift you up. Also use the discussion board to communicate with each other if you would like to do that. Well, I'm signing off for now, but have a really productive week. See you on Blackboard.